Okay, so as you can see, the canoe is not in the pool anymore because if something happens and I flip over, that'll mess up the pool's liner.
Which will?
Cause the pool to leak and we not have a pool no more. So we moved it to the grass.
Jesse, you can't really see it.
Can't see me?
No. You're gonna have to come like right here.
Okay.
Right there you can see you.
Come on, Hans. Come canoeing with me. Come on. Get in. Come on. Come on, Hans, get in. Come on. Damn it, Hans, get in with me. You're gonna drown, you're in water.
Haas, come on.
No, he's not having it.
Come on, Haas.
Oop.
Okay, I guess that took care of that. Haas, come on. Come on, Haas. Get in. Come on.
This is lower than low budget canoeing.
Come on, Haas. Get in.
Come on. Yeah, he's not having it.
Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on.
But I don't wanna. No, you're good. It's just a trap. He's like, I'll just come around.
We almost got him in. He's almost there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, I'm thinking about just picking him up and putting him in.
It's okay. He won't stand.
Yeah, he will. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're recording all this too. Come on.
Damn it, Haas, just get in the damn canoe.
Come on.
No, he's not gonna like that.
Come on. Here, you hold this while I get him in the canoe.
Okay. All right, Hussy. You're in a canoe with me. All
Okay.
right.
Now, we got him in the canoe. Next video, first scene.